not die. Amen. Come here.
Yes, good day, good afternoon, good evening, depends on the location where you're watching me from.
I have dreams where see dead people.
Now, wow, things are happening. Guys, watch this video till the end.
People that have died and I keep wondering.
This
you
is
see
the
dead people,
prophet of
dead
our
people.
time. Yes,
because your time is up.
And be blessed.
Everyone knows your everyone knows your
my sister-in-law.
But you have never witnessed this in my life. When I see you, I just some you touch my life so much. And I've been praying to God that if I can only come near you and somebody touch me, you will deliver today. They have already done your burial. They put your picture in a casket. I see the burial ceremony, and I see the junction where they made the sacrifice. And today you have been seeing dead people, and today the casket is destroyed.
Amen.
The casket is destroyed.
Amen.
Let the wife join the husband. I decree you will die, but not now. Not now. These same people that make down your burial, they scatter your children. They scatter your children. The family yoke is broken.
Somebody touch me. Somebody touch me. Somebody touch my soul. When I was praying to my Father, somebody touch my soul.
Bring them up. They scatter the family, mess your children up. Now they have scenario. There is a project for a long time you cannot finish. God will deliver Michael. God will deliver your family. Today, Now come here. You from America? Huh?
Yes, sir.
This is your parents? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Let me see your hand. Do you believe in the spiritual thing?
Yes, sir.
How many times have you been in Nigeria?
Plenty times.
Plenty times. Who is Michael?
It's me.
My song say every day, Father, don't let them ask. Don't let them ask, where is my God?
Do you believe in a spiritual thing? Who is divine? Huh?
He's my junior brother.
Your junior brother. And divine is over. Divine have died. Divine have died. You will not die like divine.
Hey. Answer your name in a bigger way. Father, answer your name. kill your brother with his demonic charm. Hold together, hold your family together. I drop this oil. Let the troubler of this family be troubled. And I decree, let the power of God hit all of you. That from now, life upon you. Amen. The afflictions will not rise again.
Amen.
It's okay. I will see you one-on-one before you go. Have I seen people before? How many times have people come here?
First time. This is our first day and our first time coming here.
We came today.
Have you discussed your problem with anybody here?
No.
Have you discussed with anybody? You came from airport straight here.
Today, yeah.
Your case is settled.
Amen.
All of you will see me one-on-one. The matter, hold your hands together. All of you, hold your hands together. Hold your hands together. All of you, hold your hands together. Hold hands together. I decree the afflictions will not rise again. And life today.
Please, guys, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Most importantly, tap on your bell notification. Thank you.